What's going on, everybody? I'm finally back, you know, after my month-long hiatus. I've been gone a month. I teased you with the sexiness of my brand new car and was like, look at all this awesome stuff and all these cool plans I have. I'm not gonna do anything for a month. Yep, didn't do anything for a month. I basically just wanted to get like the first 1,000-mile like break-in period out of the way before I'm kind of bombarded by a bunch of, you know, do this, do that, you should do this, you should do that kind of thing. And now that 1,000 miles, well, 1,200 miles has passed, and I'm, you know, changing the oils, doing all the other stuff, I'm like, you know, finally time to get a few little things here and there to make the car my own before I start doing some big stuff. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can tell greatly, but like the weather's been kind of shit here in Houston lately. It was like 108 yesterday, and then it thunderstormed all day today. And I tried to have the car clean, you know, trying to mask the fact that I spent a huge, crazy financial mistake buying this car, and I'm just kind of broke now and not knowing what to do with my life, and, you know, it's all I've got to my name, and, you know, tried to mask that with a nice, clean car, and I got planes ruining my audio. But anyways, I've got this whole, nice little box of mods here, you know, nothing crazy, nothing spectacular. A few things here and there, you know, like rear view mirrors, some vinyl wrap, some LED lights, you know, just a few things to kind of make the car my own and get myself ready for the direction that I'm headed with it. I want it to be, you know, clean, really nice, really tasteful, trying not to really cheap out on a whole lot of things, you know, get my vision for the car just right. But yeah, I figured I'd just make like a cool little time lapse of me just putting a bunch of random super simplistic parts on the car, and you know, if you like these mods and you want to pick them up, they'll all be down in the description. But enjoy the next like 2 or 3 minutes of me like putting shit on my car. First thing you guys are gonna notice here coming into my interior is my nice, gorgeous, color matched heritage blue vinyl interior that I did not film myself do because it was annoying and tedious, and I was frustrated, and it just took an absurd amount of time to do. So I'll do like a nice like little edit pan so you guys can really get a feel for what it looks like towards the end of the video. guys, first few months for my car, you know, like I said, nothing spectacular. A little bit of vinyl wrap, a little bit of tint, a little bit of LEDs, a little bit of rear mirror goodness, you know. I like to see a little bit. I've also got those convex mirrors on the sides coming by, just because there is a blind spot, me being a giant driving a really tiny car. I've just got a little bit of a blind spot, okay? So I've got the convex mirrors coming, but I mean, most of you know that's a super easy install. You just rip the other ones out and plug those ones back in, and you know, $200 and you get to see more. So yeah, that's gonna conclude this video, and hopefully there will be more videos to come later on this week. Hopefully you guys look forward to it, and thanks for sticking with me. Till next time, I will see you guys later.